Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar Guitar. We have Machine Gun Kelly, not for the first time, not for the last either. So, a great artist. Let's go into his new song. It's called Trading Water. And we have three chords that rolls in the same way pretty much. We have this melody part and string part. Otherwise, it's the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. Let's go into the song with a capo set on third position. Absolute best scenario, easiest chords possible for this song. So with that, we're gonna learn the chords E minor, the D sus F chord, and then C. Okay. So E minor first, it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is a D sus 2, but with this F sharp in the bass. So what you do is to place index finger on the second fret E string. Then you can mute the next string with that finger if you just lean to the top of the A string, or if you play it open A, it's up to you. But I pretty much mute it, I believe. But then open D, second G with the middle finger, third B with your ring finger, and open E. And finally we have the C. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Let's learn that melody first. And we have E minor first. It goes, you're gonna play open E string in the bass, then open G, third B, and back to open G. Next chord is the D F chord, and what you're gonna play here is this part, which is the second fret E string in the bass, then open D, then second G, and open G. And then we have the C, and it goes third A, second D, and open G. And a pause. That is the first part. The second part is to play E minor and the D F in the same way, but the C in the end changes, okay? So the C will be like this. So you're gonna play third A, second D, open G, second D, then open high E, third B, and open G. Okay, so that will be the second part. Now, how the song goes is to play part 1 for 2 times right after each other. So E minor, D, F, C, the first version of it, two rounds after each other. Then after that, you're just gonna alternate part 1 and part 2 throughout the song. And the second verse starts in that way as well. Second verse, the first part for 2 rounds, and then you're just gonna alternate that throughout the verse, but also throughout the chorus play. So that is how you handle this song when it comes to the melody. I'm gonna play one full round for you, part 1 and part 2. Let's go. That is how it goes. Now, we have also a possibility to do some strumming and use the full chords as they are. Of course, you need to hold them now. And what you're going to do now is to think strumming as 3 downs. So one round is 3 downs, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to play E minor, 1 round, and then the D F, 1 round, and C, 2 rounds. So it goes like this. E minor, G, F, C, C. And that, my friends, is how you handle the song called Trading Water from Machine Gun Kelly. Nice song there. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.